So if you own a prop firm account and you really, really want to pass it, if you don't use this strategy, you will never ever pass the funded phase of your prop firm account. So let me tell you exactly what you need to do and the exact strategy you need to use to actually pass it. Listen very, very carefully. So what we're going to be doing is trading this on gold. Today we're going to be trading on XAU USD, which is gold. All right, we only trade within a 5-minute time frame, and we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity, and then we look for the reversal opportunity. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this. This is the highs of Asian session, let's say right here, and I'm going to be showing you the lows of Asian session, which will be anywhere around here. Okay, so this is the highs and this is the lows. If I just mark it out, this is lows, and this one would be that. Okay, what we need to do next is very, very crucial. What we need to do next is actually find out which side of Asian session actually gets swept. So if I just keep playing price forward, we need one of these lines to actually get crossed or mitigated by price. And you can see exactly right here, price actually just mitigates this area right there. And we can see that the lows have just completely been taken out. So the lows liquidity been taken out. What we need to do next is very, very important. We need to find the market structure shift, find the displacement, and then we can execute on the fair value gap. So what we need to do now is find the market structure shift towards the downside, all right? Towards the upside, sorry. So what we need to do, play price forward. We're just looking for a market structure shift towards the upside. If we keep playing price forward, we're going to see a few fake ones or whatever. And then we just got a very, very nice engulfing candlestick, which will actually reinforce our market structure shift and make it 10 times more probable that we will actually win this trade. So if I just mark this out, the market structure shift, you can see a fractional high has just been taken out. So this will be our MMS. And what we need to do next is very, very important. So we have a displacement already. All we need to do that's left is find out the fair value gap. So if I just mark out this right here, this will be the fair value gap that we're actually going to use. But just before that, if you're really, really struggling with your prop firm account, if you're struggling with passing phase 1 and phase 2, then look no further, because my easy pass will actually aid to your needs. Okay, you can see right here, $6,000 payout, nearly 7,000. Okay, you can see so much payouts. I help people actually pass their phase 1 and phase 2, and I can actually manage your account and get you your first ever payout. There's a full guarantee and a full refund policy, so you don't need to worry about anything. All you need to do is just join the first link in the description, and you can straight away get access to this amazing gem of a Telegram chat right here, and you can get payouts like Banji right here, which you got a $19,000 payout. Okay, this is all possible. You can do this. All of them done this, and you can also do this. Make sure you join. Here's another funded next payout. There's so much more payouts. First link in the description. Join. First 2 people that actually message me will get a discount, 50% off. Okay, join this, and then you can just message me off one of these little name links. Okay, so I'm gonna just get straight back into it. All you need to do is actually extend this highlighted area of the FEG, and you could just enter off of here. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you put a buy limit or a sell limit, whatever, you could just enter off of it, and now you could put your risk to reward ratio as a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. You can see right here, 1% risk every day, no emotional trading, and a 1-to-3 RR at least. Okay, this is exactly what we're going to be aiming for. And if I play price forward now, you can see how it's just entered right there. Price has just entered, and now it's going all the way up. It keeps going up, and it just completely smashed our take profit. This is exactly what we want to see from every single trade, and this is what you will see from every single trade if you actually follow me and use the strategies that I teach. Okay, now on to the next strategy. Now I'm going to be showing you this on a very, very fundamental level, so you really get a deep understanding of what's actually going on and what I'm actually trying to explain. So let's get rid of the time frames, get rid of everything. So what's actually price action doing? In Asian session, you let it do wherever it wants. It can go high, lows, higher highs, lower lows, whatever. Okay, but once it gets to our specific trading time, which is anywhere around here, which will be 7 o'clock, this is where you need to mark out the highs right here, like I did, the highs and the lows of Asian session, okay, of recent price action, like I did in the chart that I showed you before. Anyway, once we get this market structure shift, all we need to do is literally just match it with the fair value gap. Once we match it with the fair value gap, this is the best setup that we have right now, so we can take it all the way to take profit. Okay, so all you need to do now is wait for price to actually drop back down and enter your fair value gap once you've actually entered your buy limit. So it will enter your fair value gap, it will like bounce off it a little bit, and then once it actually takes off, it will take off and smash your take profit. exactly like I showed you in the example before. This is a strategy that you need to actually start implementing now as soon as possible, okay? And if you haven't, and if you can't implement this, you can't pass your phase one, can't pass your phase two, join my fast pass as fast as possible. And I also have a program, which is the Forex Family Mentorship, which is only $50. If you want to join it, you can also message me on Telegram for more information about that. But anyway, that's going to be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.